So it's a Wednesday afternoon here at Dr. Shimian Don Antonio branch. Of course, our patient for today, for removal of sutures, is our patient. We perform a deep plane facelift. So let's check on here her. So you could see the nasolabial lines already disappeared on both sides. Mind you, this patient underwent silicone oil injection. Okay, so nagsag na yung skin all over here, no? Yung marionette lines niya is three folds. But look at it. If it's a deep plane facelift, everything has been pulled up. So tight, no? If you could just pinch the skin of the patient, wala kang makukuha. Even a 1 cm or 5.5, walang mapipinch. So, I would say, no, the eyes also had a temporal lift. And then, look at the sutures. Could you zoom in on this? No? So, it's just aligned along the lateral